Morning, beautiful people. It's the General in Canada. Guys, I mean, it's just nature. Honestly, guys, it's just. I rolled up and didn't feel like going in. Just, I can't believe it looks so beautiful. Something that we never normally take for granted, guys. It's just every day it's raining. See, people, it's raining. Yeah, man. And then you just don't realize sometimes how nature is beautiful. I'm just showing you this, guys, because it caught me. It's not content, it's just my feelings. Like I sit here and I just wondering, like, it's beautiful. It's my son Adi, whatever. Guys, that's my son Adi. But it's just the whole idea is just I came and I'm sitting here and I'm just watching the rain fall. I was just like, let me vlog it. Just sometimes we don't know how beautiful nature is. Yeah, man. See, guys, obviously I'm in the garage. See, I'm in the garage, guys. I was actually sitting right there. Yeah? I'm just thinking, like, by myself, 7 o'clock in the morning. And this just came to me, like, why can't I just vlog this? Rain, nature. So I'm gonna step out in the rain just a little bit, guys, just for you. Don't want to get sick. Yeah, just want to show you guys. It's a bunch, like, the General is in the rain. My daughter Adi. It's a Adi family, guys. No disrespect. Yeah, it's my daughter's Adi. Don't know what the hell it's like. Guys, I'm in the rain. Look. Damn. To me, this is what's beautiful. Yeah? And obviously, that's Pops Audi. That's the General Audi. That's a part of the garage that you guys never see. That's our car, guys. That's my company car. That's what we build. Yeah? You can't see these. You never see these on the road. See that? That's our car. So, yeah. Generally just giving you this vlog, guys, is just a simple YouTuber's vlog. How I feel. It's Saturday morning. It's raining. And this is what Canada looks like on a morning like this. Yeah? Say no more, guys. See? I could sit here. It's my neighborhood. It's my daughter's car. And guys, I don't know what she does. She gone to Jamaica, so she just left her car out on the road and gone to Jamaica yesterday. Car problem. Look at that animal. Look there. It's nature, guys. Yeah, man. No disrespect. That's how the general feels. You know, it's raining and I feel like giving you guys a vlog. But look at the animal then. Oh, that's a rabbit. Yo, guy, run them and move them. Many people them say you can't move. Come on. But people, it's nature at its best. Yeah, man. So the general is just showing you, sharing with you, you know, Saturday morning vlog. That is the troublemaker car. Same sister car over there. So, you know, guys, if I buy Audi, everybody feel like they want to buy Audi. I never understand them. You see me? But for their money, do what they want to do with their money. So, sharing a beautiful rainy Saturday morning in Canada. Guys, I would literally walk out there, but the minute I go out there, I'm soaked, I'm wet. Nice Filipino running. I hope she achieve. I like her attire though, guys. Yeah, she have on the blue socks, you know, the blue hat. Yeah. And I hope she achieve what she's out running for. So it's just a simple vlog from the general. It's raining and this animal is still there, guys. Look, he's still there. It's pouring rain. So let me go back in the garage, guys, because it's raining. Damn. Guys, look at my Mustang. Damn. Turning on the lights so you guys can see. That's our Mustang, guys. Yeah. These are authentic stuff, beautiful people. You'll never see these. These are our cars. That's my company. So people, it's the general. It's not a regular vlog, guys. I was just sitting here and I'm just thinking, oh my gosh, I was just watching the rain fall. Yeah. Guys, I want to show you guys this car. This is one of our most expensive cars that we built. Yeah. It's $1 million for this car. See? Ford GT Multimatic Engineering. And just for you guys to understand the general, that's what we do. Yeah? We engineer, we build. Yeah, man. I would say this is my baby. Always cleaning it, guys. That's why you always see rags on it, because I have nothing. And I'm saying I'm not cleaning it, but you know, I don't really drive it. Yeah, not much time to drive it anyways. Yeah, there it is from the side. Yep. So it's a nature morning, nature, fully nature. And I'm just sharing with you guys because my feelings, the way how I feel. Like I was just sitting here watching the rain. Yeah. And I said, what if I just vlog it? Not looking content, guys. I'm just asking you to enjoy. Brief video with the general. Just showing you how I feel at the moment watching this rain. Yeah. I'm just sharing it with you. And guys, don't forget, I'm vlogging for you from Toronto, Canada. It's underscore the general. Yeah, man. It's raining. Clearly, it's not much things that's gonna happen. And not in this rain. Yeah. So, just sharing with you. So, I love you guys. Obviously, it's not a vlog. Yeah. Yeah, man. So I hope you guys just enjoy just this little scenery. If it makes you feel better, you know, just leave me a comment, guys. Nothing else to say. General is just sharing. Yeah. I love you guys. And have a wonderful day. For the rest of the day, it's a rainy day in Toronto, Canada. It's raining everywhere. Yeah, man. Please enjoy the thing. Yeah. Guys, you know that animal is still there. Look there. The animal is still there. No. Damn. The rabbit. I'm saying animal is a rabbit. So enjoy nature, beautiful people. Yeah? Please leave a comment if you enjoy the rain. Just sharing with you. Generally just sharing. Sharing my feeling, my thoughts. Yeah? I love you guys. Have a wonderful day. Okay? You guys can hear the rain. Beautiful sound. That's the sound of nature, guys. I'm telling you. It's pouring. Thanks, guys. Whatever comes out of this video, it wasn't meant. It's just something that just came to me. So enjoy the video. Enjoy what I'm saying is and how I'm feeling. Yeah, it's my feelings right now, beautiful people. So, and thanks for everybody that comes to the general channel. Thanks for all the comment and the love that you guys have shown me. So it's a Saturday morning and there's not much thing going to be going on in this Saturday morning, guys. Pouring rain. Yeah, man. So I love you guys, and I'm gonna say bye bye for now until another vlog. It's the general, actually just sharing with you my thoughts and my feeling while I watch and listen to this rain. Love you guys. Bye bye.